Hello everyone, welcome to this demo. My name is Hadi Najatian. I'm Senior Solution Architect at Amazon Web Services. In this demo, we designed a solution to tackle some of the most common challenges in modern agriculture. Today, farmers face multiple challenges, such as optimizing water usage, managing crop health efficiently, as well as eliminating weeds without harming the environment. And for all of these, there are technologies out there that can really help farmers to tackle those challenges. However, from the technology perspective, the agriculture technology landscape is fragmented with various vendors and providers that provide equipment, services, and products that can solve these problems. But again, the main challenge is about integrating and compatibility of these services and products. And the second also is how they can be deployed in automated and orchestrated fashion seamlessly without doing any manual task. On the other side also, there is lack of a centralized marketplace that can put together all of these services and offer them to the farmers at one place. And that's what we try to solve with this demo. Solving these challenges really can help farmers to overcome their challenges that they have around the farming. At the same time, for the telecommunication companies, help them around identifying better optimization and monetization of their resources and services, as well as new revenue opportunities and expansion to new markets. And in terms of the solution overview, we realize that telco companies are uniquely positioned to become that player, offering the single marketplace to offer all of these services, and also become an integrator of all these different partners together. Here's the solution overview. We have various partners that, again, providing the marketplace. Beyond Now is a marketplace provider. Intraway Symphonica is the orchestrator behind the scene that orchestrates deployment of all of those services, such as 5G connectivity, as well as the MEC. And then we have Red Hat OpenShift, which helps around orchestration of the containerized workload. In this case, we're leveraging an image analytics application powered and created by EPAM. And at the end, as you can see, Unmanned Life provides services such as drone. Now, in order to just see all of this demo journey, I'm going to hand this over to Johan to walk you through the marketplace journey that a farmer goes through.
Thank you, Hadi. Now I'm going to show you how we simplify the use case for farmers ordering through the Beyond Now powered marketplace. First of all, the farmer will interact with the Gen AI to get the best product possible for their needs. Therefore, they just interact through a prompt, talking about, for example, their problems they have, like I have weed problems at my farm, and the Gen AI will go through the catalog, through the trained model, and will represent, based on the problems the customer has, the best product for them. So the farmer then selects the product, like the selected smart reading farming product, adds that to the cart, and all they need to do is they're gonna talk through the configuration of the product by providing their current farm location, and based on the location where they are, like highlighting the area that is of interest for them, like I do here on the map, the solution will automatically calculate the needs for the farmer, meaning what is the best options to solve the smart weeding issues. To solve the weeding issues with that, they will add some drones, they will add moisture sensors, as well as a network slice and MEC devices. Furthermore, the farmer can interact by using again Gen AI to get deeper into the details of the product and start configuring by interacting through text or through speech with the AI. Once that is done, the farmer continues the checkout process by just ordering the flow, going through the pricing, checking out the product, and finally placing the order, which then orchestrates into the back office where I hand over to Gaston.
Okay, thank you, Johan. Now we're going to see how Symphonica is going to manage the service order received from the marketplace. Symphonica is our no-code platform, and we're going to see how in this service order we receive 3 order items. One for the creation of the 5G slicing, one for the activation of the 5G slicing, and one for the creation of the MEC application. So, as you can see, if we click on any of the view processes, we're going to be able to see the BPM flow, where we can see the orchestration of the run, the core, and the transport. Remember that all of this was created using our no-code platform and just drag and drop for the creation of the connectors and the BPM flows. Here we can see that 3 different BPMs flows were triggered, being the last one, the MEC application. Here is where we go to OpenShift, where my colleague David is going to explain you a bit more about it.
Thank you, Gaston. So now that Symphonica has deployed the MEC application to the edge, we can see here that this application is deployed on Red Hat OpenShift running at the edge. And later on in the demo, we'll show you how we're processing the weed location and the KML files in the dashboard. But this is where the actual workload is taking place. And you can see here that through the orchestration, Symphonica has been able to deploy the workload at the edge. And now to take us through the actual farmer's experience, we have Hadi from AWS.
So thank you, David. Now that we have all the sensors and devices been implemented at the farm and they start sending the data through the 5G connectivity at the farm, through the mobile edge compute to the cloud, one of the challenges that we here to solve for the farmers is that they usually have problem of having all of the data in one place so they can have faster reaction to all the problems going to happen. In this case, we have digital twin model of the farm created with all the sensors being located in the farm. This is an actual farm that we did this demo on at Alberta, Canada, that have the sensors implemented. The sensors start sending their information, and this provides a high-level overview to the farmer about what's really happening at the farm level. Beside the digital twin model that it's implemented in this dashboard, we're also leveraging chatbot agents powered by GenAI, which is developed by our partner EPAM, that it has a context of the all farm data, and from there it adds it on top of the large language models hosted by Amazon Bedrock. In this case, we're using Anthropic Cloud, again powered by Amazon Bedrock, that really provides all that personalized responses to the farmer. In this case, I pre-populated some commands here. As you can see here, the farmer is asking about the status of the nutrients in its field, and the GenAI agent provides the responses according to the data coming from the farm. Same time, the farm is also asking about deficiency of the copper in the field. So since, again, all the data as an external context provided to the LLM, the personalized response related to the farm is provided to the farmer. On the other side, as you can see in our dashboard, we have live view of the farm as well. All the live video are fed through the MEC into the cloud, through 5G connectivity and the MEC to the cloud, and from there, it landed in this dashboard through one of our services called KVS. And as you can see here, we do have a live view of the farm in case if the farmer has subscribed to the monitoring service of the farm, again powered by drones. And on top of that, when the farmer ordered their smart weeding, as you saw earlier what Johan presented, a smart weeding comes with an application hosted on the MEC. As David mentioned, an application created by EPAM, which is job is to do computer visual analytics of the farm, identify which part of the farms include weeds, and then create a KML file. As you can see in this panel on the dashboard here, the KML file created, mapped on top of the farm, and identify the flying route for the spraying drones to how to go over the farm and start spraying the farm. And we have here also a sample clips of a drone that we actually used in an actual farm, leveraging artificial dye in order to show the areas of the spraying by the drone. And here are some sample snapshots of the actual spray that herbicide that has been sprayed through by the drones into the field. This basically shows how now farmers have the capability not only go to a portal, order everything, and again through the power of the Symphonica and Red Hat, things get implemented and deployed in an automated and seamless fashion. Also, farmer get a dashboard powered by Telco that has provide high-level overview of all the data that it receives from those farms. The other part of the demo that we try to actually provide is a second persona. The second persona focus on a product manager in a telecom company. So we know that telecom companies have various amount of services and solutions that cover different industries. But in this case, we do have a product manager in a telco that knows about all these various catalogs and items that they found useful for creating and curating a new product for agriculture. In this case, again, we're leveraging the Beyond Now portal or Beyond Now marketplace that is, again, powered by GenAI. So product manager in a telecom company logs into that marketplace portal, and from there, it leverages a built-in chatbot agent, again, powered by generative AI, that really helps him or her to curate services or products or offering bundles which really help around agriculture use case. In this case, I'm just going to type that I have an agriculture use case. How can you help me? So the prompt is provided. Again, we're leveraging GenAI powered by Amazon, which provides all the recommended services that the GenAI realizes or identifies for this specific use case around the agriculture. In this case, we're not only helping farmers to have more productive farming, leveraging GenAI technology and also other technologies such as marketplace, 5G, and MEC, but we're also helping telecommunication companies to offer products based on the existing catalog and help them to offer and identify better monetization opportunities and identify new market opportunities. And this concludes our demo. I hope you all enjoyed this demo. Thank you so much.